Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is selling on Etsy. Basically, just like the method I spoke about previously here in this playlist, when you're selling with these websites and dealing with physical products, those websites are doing majority of the work and they are doing everything. You just have to do the design. But when you're selling things on Etsy, you have to do basically everything. Etsy is just there to connect you as a producer of the thing with buyers who are looking for the thing. So basically they have these great listings and they have this amazing massive audience from around the world. And basically to get into Etsy, you have to open your personal shop and you have to deal with all of these things that we spoke about in that video about these websites. Basically, if you're creating, let's say, a phone holder, which is this one right here, and this is one from IKEA obviously, but if you're creating something like that, you have to create this thing, you have to package it, you have to ship it, you have to market it, you have to create different images, different videos, showcase the product, where is it used, how is it used, and then put it on Etsy. Etsy is going to drive traffic to your product, and then once you actually get the sale, they are going to handle the sale, they're going to handle the money and the transaction, and then you as a creator have to ship this product to your potential client. So it's really a lot of work, but some people are making millions of dollars on Etsy. Basically, one bad thing about Etsy is listing price. So every time you list a product, you have to pay for listing that particular product. So even if the product doesn't sell, you still have to pay for it. So just make sure to understand whatever you're trying to create on Etsy, make sure to test it out first. See if it's worth your while, if it's working, if it's selling. If it is, then great, you can continue making the thing and you can continue investing your time and money into that product. But if it doesn't sell, make sure to understand that you have to pay that listing. It's nothing too major, I think it's like $1 or $2 or something like that. But still, if you have, for example, 20 different products and you invest $40 into this and still there are not any single sale, then that's $40 wasted down the line. So once again, when you're starting on Etsy, make sure to start small, make sure to explore the market, explore the buyer, see who is the potential buyer for your product, and then evolve from there and see where you can take your product and your shop to. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.